Hello everyone, it's Susan here and I'm going to answer another question from paper 1 2022 Edexcel A-level maths, and I'm going to answer part A and B of question 5. What do we have here? We have an equation here which it says in the question, the height h meters of a tree t years after being planted is modeled by the equation h squared is equal to 80 plus b and t is less than 25, greater or equal to 0, where a and b are constants. Given that the height of tree was 2.60 meter exactly 2 years after being planted, the height of tree was 5.10 meter exactly 10 years after being planted. A, find a complete equation for the model giving the values of A and B to 3 significant figures. Okay, in order to answer this question in part A, I'm just gonna sub in the value of height and time in the equation that I have. So these two, they are height, and here is the number of the years, which is t. So h is equal to at plus b. So 2.6 to h squared. 2.6 to the power of 2 is equal to a times by 2 plus b. So 6.76 is equal to 2a plus b. And for 5.1, we have a times 10 plus b, and it's going to be 26.01 equal to 10a plus b. So now you can see we have two equations over here which we can solve them simultaneously with each other, and after solving them simultaneously we're gonna get a equal to 2.41 and b is equal to 6.76 minus 2 times 2.41. Therefore b would be equal to 1.95. So we have value for a and value for b. So now we can rewrite this equation, while we know the value of a and b. Therefore h squared would be equal to 2.41 t plus 1.95. That's the answer for part A. In part B, it says, given that the height of tree was 7 meters exactly 20 years after being planted, B, evaluate the model giving reason for your answer. Okay, here, that means when it says exactly 20 years after being planted, that means t is equal to 20. Okay, so we have the equation over here with a known a and b. H squared is equal to 2.41 times by 20 years, plus 1.95, and h squared would be equal to 50.15. Therefore h would be equal to 7.08 meter. Okay, it says evaluate the model giving reason for your answer. So the model seems to be accurate. As you can see, 7 and 7.8 are pretty close to each other. Therefore, we can say the model is accurate. Thank you so much, and please follow the rest of the question that I'm going to answer in the playlist that I set on the channel.